Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to the next video of English literature class. Well, it's me, Abin sir. How are you all? Hope you are doing well at your home. Well, it's time to start today's class. So are you ready to start today's class? Okay, before starting our class, as usual, let's have a silent prayer. So students, do you remember what we have discussed in the last class? Yes, we have discussed the workbook activities from the first chapter, Wake Up. And in the last class, we discussed the B part and we discussed the sentences for the words given in your workbook. And I hope you have done it properly in your workbook and try to understand the words and its sentences. Okay, so without wasting much time, we are moving to the today's class. We are going to discuss the rest of the workbook activities here. Okay, so yes, C part, underline the joining words. So here today we are going to discuss the C part, underline the joining words. Before moving to the task, I need to mention one thing, that joining words are the words which connects sentences or words. So here we have two joining words, and but, and we will see how we could find the joining words from the sentences. Okay, shall we move to the first sentence? Okay, first sentence, I eat apples and bananas. I eat apples and bananas. So the answer is and, because and connects or links the apples and bananas in this sentence. So the answer is and. So you have to underline and in this sentence. Try to use pencil instead of pen. Okay, take your workbook with you and do this activity along with this class. Okay, so moving to the next sentence, I can sing but I cannot dance. I can sing but cannot dance. Two different statements. So the joining word here is but. So you have to underline the but in this sentence. Underline but in this sentence. Hope you underline this but in the sentence. Okay, so moving to the next sentence, I have a cat, a dog and a parrot. I have a cat, a dog and a parrot. So what is the joining word here? Yes, and is the joining word here. So underline the and in this sentence. And is the joining word between dog, cat and parrot. So underline and in this sentence. Okay, this is very simple, right? I hope you got the idea. So moving to the next sentence, Afia has short hair but Alia has long hair. So this statement is a comparison between two girls. So what is the joining word here? Yes, but is the joining word here. Okay, so underline the but in this sentence. Underline but in this sentence. Afia has short hair but Alia has long hair. Okay, so moving to the next sentence, we went to Mumbai and Goa in our holidays. We went to Mumbai and Goa during our holidays. So what is the joining word here? Yes, and is the joining word here. So underline and in this sentence. We went to Mumbai and Goa during our holidays. Okay, so this is all about this C part, and now it's time to discuss the next part. So now we are going to discuss the E part. I know most of you thinking about that, why didn't Abin sir mention about the D part after the C part? We will come to the D part after discussing this. Okay, so E, fill in the blanks with and or but. Fill in the blanks with and or but. So already we discussed about the and but in the case of joining words, and it's time to fill in the blanks by using and or but. Okay, so let's check. The first sentence, we bought clothes dash shoes. We bought clothes dash shoes. So this is a statement which connects two objects, right? So here we are going to use and. So what is the answer here? And. Write down and in that blank in the first sentence. Don't forget to use pencil. Okay. I prefer pencil because if you have any mistakes, you could rub it. Whether you use the pen, it will be very difficult to rub that. Okay. So moving to the next sentence. I invited Abha dash, I did not invite Neha for dinner. I invited Abha dash, I did not invite Neha for dinner. So this is two different statements. So we are using but. So the answer is but. So you have to write down but in this sentence. Okay. Hope you got the answer. Now moving to the next sentence. The sun is hot dash the moon is cold. The sun is hot dash the moon is cold. So the answer is but, because these two statements are different, right? The sun is hot and moon is cold. No, the sun is hot but the moon is cold. Okay, moving to the next sentence. Adaa is my cousin dash my best friend. So this statement is about a one person, right? So we are using and. So the answer is and. Write down the and in that blank. Did you finish? Okay. So moving to the next one. Pigeons can fly dash rabbits cannot fly. Pigeons can fly dash rabbits cannot fly. So these are two different statements. So we are using but. So the answer is but. Pigeons can fly but rabbits cannot fly. Did you write the but there? Okay. So moving to the next thing, yes, the follow-up activity of today's class. Let's discuss. Okay. So the follow-up activity is do the part D in your workbook, page number 7 in your workbook. So I already mentioned you that we will discuss the part D. Okay. So part D is for the follow-up activity. So you need to tick the right sentence according to the joining words mentioned in that sentence. There are certain sentences having joining words, but some of the words may be or sentences may be wrong. So you have to read the sentences at first and then think about the right joining word there, and if the joining word is right, just give a tick mark. If the sentence is wrong, just give an into mark. Okay. So this is all about today's class. We will discuss the rest of the workbook activities in the next class. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next class. Stay safe at your home. Thank you.